Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will compare Nissan Pathfinder versus Chevy Traverse. Let's dive into their key differences to help you decide which SUV best fits your lifestyle. We'll look at performance, interior comfort, and overall value. Understanding these aspects will clarify which vehicle aligns with your driving needs and family requirements. This comparison aims to provide a clear picture of each SUV's strengths. When it comes to performance, the Pathfinder typically offers a robust 3.5-liter V6 engine, delivering ample power for various driving conditions. Its available intelligent four-wheel drive system enhances capability on diverse terrains. The Traverse, on the other hand, provides a smooth and responsive ride, often with a focus on highway comfort, powered by a 2.5-liter turbocharged four-cylinder engine. Both vehicles offer respectable towing capabilities, but their driving dynamics cater to different preferences. Consider your typical driving environment. Inside, both SUVs prioritize comfort and practicality for families. The Pathfinder's interior often combines durable materials with user-friendly technology, providing a comfortable cabin for up to 8 passengers. The Traverse is renowned for its expansive cargo volume, offering up to 98 cubic feet and spacious third row, making it excellent for hauling gear or larger families. Both models come equipped with a suite of advanced safety and driver assistance features, ensuring peace of mind on every journey. Your preference for space versus ruggedness might guide your choice. Ultimately, deciding between the Pathfinder and Traverse comes down to your specific needs and priorities. The Pathfinder often appeals to those seeking a more adventurous, capable SUV, with a towing capacity of up to 6,000 pounds, while the Traverse excels in passenger comfort and cargo space for daily family life, offering up to 5,000 pounds of towing. Consider factors like fuel efficiency, resale value, and available trim levels to make an informed decision. Remember to check the description for a link to those fantastic meal prep containers and other great deals. Test driving both vehicles is highly recommended to truly feel which one is the right fit for your family's next adventure.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.